awuthathakhala ngizawuvuka ngithathakhala ngithi ngiyavuka namhlanje devil iselala hambe nomuntu oyedwa ngithi ndawo amathuna ungwatshela umuntu oyedwa kulawo amathuna ungwatshela impahla zokubethaza kulawo amathuna ungwatshela izinto zokubethaza noKristu kulawo amathuna ungwatshela izinto zokubethaza nenkasimulo elithi iBhayibheli wayehla amanzi efuna umgcini omkhulu awusikelele bese amanzi ayabona shasha wangcwaba usathane shasha waselebrate endabaqambe into yakho ngokwa-celebrate uJesu wasesifile kwanti usawuqambela liyesizangalanga isonto washasha waselebrate ngizongibona ebathathele baselebrate futhi kubalulekile ukuthi uwezwe isiphumo nenhloko ye-celebration yakho ngoba umuntu uzofika ezithona umsindo ingqondo ingadlala into abazozakulela abazokuza bathi ukwazelani uzitholele umsebenzi uthi angikwazanga ngalutho kodwa ngeke kudala kuney'nsuku athi before you formed me in my mother's womb you knew me. I was not born to cry, I was not born to suffer, I was not born for poverty, I was not born to fight, but I was born for dominion, power to rule and subdue the earth. It is my mantle, it is my benefit. But when I'm in parts, watch out for sit or something, what I'm saying, abantu abaningi bishop bahamba beyogula age kodwa bakaJesu bahamba beyosusa age.
Okay.
Musufakaza kanye nabantu abambula age kodwa ngiyabantu abasusa age asizibhuni kodwa siyasusa omama abadala babavuka ekusendamaka babengayile kokugula babengayile kwi-unveiling babeyosusa itshe they are worried along the journey ukuthi sizozigicela ubani itshe ngoba abakaJesu bayasusa basusitshela abantu babili basusitshela ababhosile basusitshela abahlukumezayo basusitshela ubazimphilo yabo abakaJesu bayasusa ethi wakhipha inhliziyo wafaka inhliziyo kamoya wasethi kuJesu susana itshe elakhe abazange bamsusa ngoba uyitshe elaqoqa kodwa manje usekhona sona wena mawuya kumamolo ufika iminyango ivuleke ehlalayo ubabaza ubuchwepheshe babelungu kanti that is a technology yasemazulwini ekade yadiploywa phezulu emazulwini ukuthi xa usondela into zakho ziyavuleka xa uhehla into zakho ziyakhula. Sometimes your own participation and making a decision ukuthi I want the thing ngishona kuyona kunyama kubona sondela kuyona iy'nkamba ziyakhula mawusaselude kodwa ke mawusondela azibuzi igama lesikole azibuzi i-background azibuzi i-qualification azibuzi uzalwa kuphi azibuzi wasekhosini azibuzi wahlangula kodwa efatha uyavulela uyavulela Happy